I'm gonna make another video apologizing because I shot all the footage of me rapping this and deleted it on editing. One mistake. Before I could even make the copy. What do you want me to say? I'm sorry. Like I said, I lost a bunch of footage messing around editing this stupid thing. But here's the rest, I guess. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna see if we can make this dashboard look a little bit pretty today. To match that, I can go ahead and set this dashboard pad in here, which is over there. And like I said, I'm gonna make another video apologizing because I shot all the footage of me rapping this and deleted it on editing. One mistake. Before I could even make the copy. So, but that and the nameplate. So, but what we do have is this. So I will be videotaping this part in here to doing the little back wrap piece. But that's all I got. So we're gonna make this here look a little different to match all the stuff up on the roof of Ruckus. So let's see what we got with this dash pad. Man, I'm so PO'd that I lost all the footage. So y'all, all right, stay tuned. Okay, so another quick update real quick. What I did was I took my blue painter's tape and I put on every little screw hole because these pads like bolt in. So every little screw, I put the little blue tape on them. And the reason being is because it can scratch the dash. Now, I don't care about the dash because it's gonna be all covered with the pad. But it's a real quick thing. This is what I did. I covered them with that so that wouldn't get scratched up. All right, on to the next step. After much fight, the dash pad is in. The dash pad is in. After a big fight. I mean, a really gigantic fight. You get that joke in. Boy, let me tell you something. I don't know if y'all put the F100 dash pad in, but if y'all ever did it, it is a pain in the ass. So, fit something nice underneath there. All the lines line up. Gotta put the gauges back in. Counter back in for the gauges, but yeah. She's looking real nice. The peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. So, check it the other side. Now I'm finna work on some accents to make it all look nice and match. So it matches all that up there, all that green and brown. Oof. What do you call it? I don't know. What is it? Apple jelly? Apple is green? No, I guess I don't know what the hell you can call it, but it's peanut butter jelly time. So yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. I'm pretty satisfied with it so far. All right, on to the next thing. Show y'all what I'm about to do. Ruckus. This piece of flat metal here, I'm gonna bend it to the contour of that dash. I'm gonna bend this, polish it up, and give it a nice accent across top of the dash. Then I got one more treat for the dash pad, and then I can just cover this up at night and leave it like that, because I ain't got to take the dash pad out anymore. Still got room to pop my rubber on without having to take the dash pad out, because getting it in with the dash pad in there is a pain in the ass. So, because taking it out was reversed, so that was one of my notes. I got not to put the dash pad in first. Like I said, ain't nothing to do now but wiring and hook up sensors on the motor. So that's all I got to do as far as the cab work and finish up, you know, the door panels, that, all the happy horse shit. So, all right, stay tuned. We on to the next run. Give me a few seconds. I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do next on the dash pad. Hang on. You see this? I don't know if you guys can see it, But do you see this here? This is the standard aluminum bar I get from like Home Depot. It's the weekend, the aluminum place was closed. But you can make this look really good with some quadruple zero steel wool. We're not even polishing it. That, a little bit of Mother's aluminum polish. You don't have to do nothing crazy to it. As long as you find a bar that's not too beat up, you know, because at Home Depot, it gets real beat up. But real quick thing, I'm gonna show you a trick. Like right here, I don't know if you can see the difference here, but watch, we'll hit it with this quadruple zero. So, let's see here. Now, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but that's no Mother's, just the quadruple zero, that to that. So it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can zoom in so I get the light on it better. So from there to over here. So as you can see, it's kind of like dull there. As you get down here, it's really shiny. It's got that mirror kind of to it. And it's not even like super polished, like you would polish it for like super polish, which is what I'm going for inside the cab and on Ruckus. I don't want the mirror polish like chrome. It's too hard to keep up, first of all, that's number one. Number two, once you get it like this, you can hit it with a microfiber pretty much and kind of bring it back, and every once in a while go over it with some like Never Dull, and boom, you're set. So as you can see, Ruckus is gonna have a lot of aluminum to wipe down and polish up all the time. So yeah, just a little quick tip. I'm gonna finish buffing this little bar out. I got a little design I want to use on that. So nothing too permanent, but yeah, you see the difference. I hope you can see the difference between that and that. Kind of stop like right here. So you can kind of almost see it at that point. There and there. So yeah, quadruple zeros. I haven't hit it with the Mother's yet, but I will after I'm done. But just a little quick tip for anybody who wants to know about just getting a quick polish on something or getting a quick shine to something you're trying to beautify. All right. So you seen that hand polish. This just a regular little hand polish with the quadruple zero. So and a little bit of the Mother's. So it's like I said, it's not perfect. It's got some flaws in it, but Ruckus is not perfect. I don't want it to be perfect, because then I'd be like I don't know, somebody would have to tell me what to do. So let's just place it up here. This is what I was gonna do with this piece of metal, and if it would help if I put it in the correct way, it goes this way on the dash pad. Okay, it's around the dash pad. I think I made the ends before I chopped them off to be right here. So it's gonna sit up in this groove like so. Okay, so I think that's gonna add a nice little touch to, like, when you're looking through the windshield and you see, oops, excuse me, I bumped a little bit too much there. And you see that, which kind of lines up with the steering wheel, how the steering wheel is on the dash. And I got something else I'm gonna do right here. I don't know how that's gonna turn out yet, but we finna find out. About to find out. So yeah, so I think that looks kind of, hold on, back out a little bit. Yeah, I kind of like that look. Of course, this will be all down in that groove. And this extra padded piece here. But yeah, man, I think it's gonna look all right. When you're looking at it from this perspective, come on, phone. We got it from this perspective. I think it makes a nice accent to the dashboard. So if you're walking around the truck and you're looking at it through the dashboard, it's not like any other dash pad you've seen in the F100. I was thinking about Ruckus. He is different. I want him to be different. He gonna be different. So I'm gonna put this back in there. Let me line this up. I'm gonna just stick this on with some kind of like fabric tape or something. That's what I'm gonna do. I want it to be in and out, so I can stick in and out of there. So, all right, let's get to the next part. Y'all see this part? Let me get to the next part. Let me stick it in, line it up, and I'll show you what's up with that. Okay, now we're back over here. So, the same polish piece. I don't know if y'all noticed. I bent it to the curvature of like the dash pad. Wait, you back out. Goddamn, too close. So I kind of like bent it to like the curvature of the dash pad. So it's like curved. The same kind of almost the same shape as the dash pad. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach this to the dash pad. I don't want to make it too permanent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this. This is what they call fabric tape. This stuff is pretty strong, and I can remove it without, tearing up shit on the dashboard. So we're gonna use this fabric tape. We're gonna flip this over, and we're gonna put it on the back side of this, and we're gonna attach it to the dash pad in the same spot earlier. And yeah, in case I want to take this off and have somebody maybe etch this or something, I don't have it, no screw holes in this, bolted through the pad. I kind of want it to be like a nice seam, just look up top. And of course, this is too thin to try to screw in through the bottom through the pad to attach it. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna flip it around like this, this in here, this right here, and then we're gonna put this fabric tape on it. All right, stick with me. I'm gonna put the fabric tape on, and then we're gonna install it. Okay. Fabric tape's attached. So let's go up front and try to set this joker up in Ruckus real quick. Stay tuned. Okay, so fabric tape is, you pull this little stuff off, and it comes off like that. So what we're gonna do is rip that like halfway, fling that way. So we're gonna set it up down there, get this side set down here. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so hang tight. I'm gonna get this stuck real quick. Okay, got this side stuck down. Let me go down the other side. So I know this was not even over here, so I want to set him to where I want him to be at right there. I'm gonna pull. Hopefully y'all can see. Pull the rest of this fabric tape out. So still gotta put my screws in my dad. Oops, sorry. Y'all can't see a damn thing. My damn fingers in the way. Hang on. All right. Pull this tape off. And that's it. Of course, my gas pad screws aren't in yet because I still gotta put the other piece I want on yet. So y'all hang tight on that. That's how good that fabric tape works. It keeps it stuck right down there to it. This stuff is so strong. If y'all ever wanna, they use it to do hems or curtains and stuff too, to hold stuff together. So yeah, so that's just the look right now. Let's come on this side here, see what we got, yo. See what we got over here. In here, got a little spot there. This microfiber dubs as a wipe off too. Like I said, it's not permanent. I can take it up and down if I want. I can do something else more secure if I want to, but I kind of want it to go with the flow with the dashboard. What y'all think? I think that makes a nice, stylish look to the dash. Nice stylish look to the dash. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot of vagina. Yeah, it kind of brings out that hump in the pad. I put an extra pad in the hump, kind of wanted that bigger, so yeah, I like it. It's hard to see here, but I wish you guys can like be here and see it. You can like, oh yeah, back out some. Yeah, it looks good. Kind of matches all the silver and stuff in the upper stuff around the beam there. So same thing. Check the other side. Let me get this damn rag out y'all face. Yeah, so by the time I get the dash pad, put it all down, I like it. I like it. Kind of, you're looking from this is matches like that. So, y'all excuse the light. But, all right, let's go to the next step. Let's put the gauges back in. Let's get that lined up first before I start messing with what I want to put right there. All right. Got the dash bezel back in the dash pad. Now it's starting to look like something. Now it's starting to look like something. Now it's starting to look like a F100. A little bit on the inside. Looking a tad bit nice like. So yeah, I like that. Looking nice. Okay. Next thing we're gonna work on is I like the dash piece right here. That little line I put across the dash piece. I like it. Gives me that nice clean look. Yeah. Okay. Excuse my French. All right, this is done. We're gonna tackle this in a minute, but I have to address something first, and that is the lights. So let me address that. I'll get back with you when we pick up on more of interior for Ruck Dog. We're gonna pick this backboard in today too, grind off those bolts, old tank bolts, and we're gonna get this set up to where it needs to go and get the chipboard made. Then I'll cover it probably at home because I don't have no material here. So we're gonna do that there while the seats are getting done. All right, stay tuned. Be right back. 1 second.